हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय चैनल जॉय फूड एंड ट्रैवलर। आज हम जा रहे हैं डेनमार्क और मेरे घर से डेनमार्क इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1000 किलोमीटर। सो वी थॉट टू टेक वन हॉल्ट इन Hamburg. At the moment we are at our vacation home in Hamburg and we stayed here. So you can see the location. There is a lake and river Elbe nearby, and yeah, so from here Denmark Copenhagen is approximately 500 kilometer or 400 kilometer. So with car it will take approximately 4 to 5 hours. Actually my friend is going to get married in Denmark, and that is why we also plan to attend his wedding and be there. So yeah, that is why we plan to go to the Denmark. Actually he's married, getting married in Copenhagen. So you can see here is our vacation home. We booked via Airbnb. I will show you how it's look from inside. So there are many options available in Hamburg. So if you are alone, so you can also stay in the youth hostel, which cost approximately 20 euro or 22 euro approximately per night and per bed. Maybe you have to share your home with some other. So but if you are coming with car, then you can also go a little bit outside of Hamburg, and yeah, you can find the better place there. They prepare really beautiful. Might be little uncomfortable because the bathroom, kitchens and this kind of things is in sharing. So here you can see they have the tent. In tent they put the 4 bed, and it costs approximately 86 euro per night, and that one is our tent. And here they put some benches. ये देखिए अंदर से कैसा दिख रहा है. Actually they put 4 beds, 1 2 3 4 beds only, and some decoration. So it's good for if you're coming in couple, if you don't mind to share your kitchen and bathroom, then it's perfect. And anyway we are going to stay here for one night, so it's fine for us as well. So ऐसा किचन है यहाँ पर. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल सभी फैसिलिटीज़ है यहाँ पर. और हार्दिक जो हमने बावर्ची हमारे साथ लिया है जर्नी के लिए, खाना बना रहा है अभी. You can hire him. It's also very cheap.
500 euro per day.
Yeah, I will put all information in my description box. So how to contact him. From there you can get his contact. ये देखो बड़े fridges और oven. This time we will start our journey to the Denmark, Copenhagen, and in between we are going to take one halt at one castle. I will update you with this information. So अभी हम बॉर्डर क्रॉस करने वाले हैं जर्मनी से डेनमार्क की ओर. So here you can check they are doing the controller for corona test and other things. Somehow we cancelled to visit our visit to the castle, and we thought it might be good if we go to the beach if we are in Denmark. So we take a halt in Neuburg, which is also on the way to the Copenhagen, and there is a beautiful beach you can see here. and also there is a long bridge alongside the sea that we have to cross as well, and it is with the toll, I guess. So let's see, once we are there I will update you, but at the moment we are at the beach. And beautiful beach as Neuburg, and there is a big bridge as well that we have to cross. So we spent approximately 30 minutes here. It was really good beach. Maybe we are thinking to come back here in return. So parking is free here. There are lots of parking places available, so it's pretty cool. And if you are coming from Germany and going to the Copenhagen, then maybe you can do the halt here. It's really beautiful place and quite relaxing. We park our car and now we are going back to in direction of Copenhagen, where we booked our another vacation home, and we are passing from this beach. यहाँ पर हमें टोल पे करना है for the bridge what we used. We'll see how much it costs. So there is a facility for all, I think. If you want to pay cash, that is also possible. If you want to pay with card, it's possible. And here is the price list. So we reach our second vacation home, near to Copenhagen. So here how it is look like. And yeah, again we booked from the Airbnb, and here we park our car. And our house, it is in basement, so I will show you how it's look like from inside. So this is how house look from the inside. यहाँ पर 2 rooms 2 bed for 2 people. यहाँ पर छोटा सा किचन और basin for cleaning laundry things. There is a small stove as well, और piano, वो हमें आता नहीं है कैसे बजाना है. और यहाँ पर है 2 बेड. So this is how our vacation home look like. It's nice actually. We are going to stay here for 1 night, and then tomorrow we are going to explore the Copenhagen. So stay tuned, and thank you very much, and don't forget to watch my video for Copenhagen. Yeah, bye bye. Kinjal, bye bye. Bye bye Balani.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.